Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Dell Vostro 3910 desktop by upgrading the RAM and adding a fast Kingston NVMe M.2 SSD. This simple upgrade can make your computer feel twice as fast for daily tasks, multitasking and even light gaming. Here are the tools and parts we'll need: a Phillips screwdriver, the new RAM modules and the Kingston NVMe M.2 SSD. Now let's open the case. It's very easy on this model. Just remove the two thumb screws at the back and slide the side panel off. Once the case is open, we'll start with the RAM. Here's a close-up of the old RAM sticks. I'm going to remove them carefully by pushing down the clips on both sides and gently pulling them out. Next, here's the brand new RAM. Let's unbox it quickly. These are high-quality DDR4 modules that are fully compatible with the 3910 series. Now installing the new RAM is super simple. Align the notch with the slot, press it down firmly until you hear the clips click into place on both sides. Nice and secure. Moving on to the SSD upgrade. Here's the Kingston NVMe M.2 SSD. Let's unbox it carefully. This is where the M.2 slot is located on the motherboard. First, I'll remove the screws for better access. Now let's install the new SSD. Insert it at a slight angle into the M.2 slot, push it gently until it sits flat, and then secure it with the small screw. Perfect! The new Kingston NVMe SSD is now installed and ready to give you blazing fast boot times and file transfers. Finally, close the side panel, put the thumb screws back in, and we're done with the hardware upgrade. That's it! In just a few minutes, we've upgraded the RAM and added a fast M.2 NVMe SSD to this Dell 3910 desktop. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more PC upgrade tutorials, and drop a comment telling me what upgrade you're planning next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.